Hi guys, cordial greeting. Student in change, Diego Alejandro León. Number of group is 131. 14 item license parents. The license granted through this agreement may be exclusive or non-exclusive. In the event that the license is exclusive, the licensor may be not seek the use of the invention the another person, nor may the licensor himself make use of it, thus having the license the power to exploit it in a unique way. The other ways, the licensor may license the invention to third parties and may even exploit the invention itself. On the other hand, the license may be transferable or non-transferable. If the assignment is transferable, the license may be sublicensed or not exclusively assign the use of the invention to other user. In principle, the license agreement will be considered not exclusive and not transferable unless the parties expressly agree otherwise in the document. (15) Ownership of IP. Appropriate ownership for IP development is not established. Ownership of it is established that this will be the company's one use for said development itself on the contract. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.